Welcome to our haircut showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two popular grooming tools, the Remington Shortcut Pro and the TPOB Play Barber Clippers. The Remington Shortcut Pro is designed for easy self-haircuts, featuring a unique curved blade and a waterproof design, while the TPOB Play Barber Clippers are tailored for professional use, boasting a powerful motor and advanced features. Let's explore their specifications, pros and cons, and see which one comes out on top. The Remington Shortcut Pro is designed with ergonomics in mind, featuring a lightweight body and a curved blade that allows for easy self-haircuts. This makes it ideal for users who want to groom themselves without assistance. In contrast, the TPOB Play Barber Clippers, while heavier due to their aluminum construction, provide stability and leverage for professional barbers, making them suitable for extended use in a salon environment. When it comes to performance, the Remington Shortcut Pro features a standard motor that is effective for self-grooming but may struggle with thicker hair. On the other hand, the TPOB Play Barber Clippers boast a powerful ACME motor that operates at speeds up to 7,500 RPM, ensuring a smooth and efficient cutting experience, even with dense hair. This makes the TPOB an excellent choice for professional barbers who require consistent cutting power. Price is a significant factor when choosing between these two products. The Remington Shortcut Pro is priced at an affordable $64, making it accessible for casual users looking for a reliable, self-haircutting solution. In contrast, the TPOB Play Barber Clippers come with a premium price tag of $249, reflecting their professional-grade features and performance. While the TPOB offers exceptional quality, it may not be the best choice for those who only need a clipper for occasional use. In conclusion, both the Remington Shortcut Pro and TPOB Play Barber Clippers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Remington is perfect for those seeking an affordable and user-friendly option for self-grooming, while the TPOB is designed for professionals who demand high performance and precision. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more